Amir, is it you? Amir, please confirm if it is you. Okay, in last class, we have done a formula of area of parallelogram. Okay, now one more area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram when area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram when the diagonals are given, when the diagonals are given. Okay, so we have done the formula of parallelogram when the adjacent sides were given as a vector. Okay, now we will do a formula when the diagonals will be given. Okay, so this is your parallelogram. Let this be A, B, C, and E. Okay, and here the diagonals are given. Take this one. So this is vector A and this is vector B. Okay, so in this case, the diagonal is given, then what will be the area? Area is area of parallelogram is equal to half. Then who is this Aman? Uh, Aman, I'm not sure you have joined the correct class or not.
Sir, I have.
You have, but I think this is the first time.
No, sir.
Uh, okay, okay. So area of parallelogram is equal to half into A cross B. Okay, so you just need to find the cross product, divide that with 2, you will get the area of parallelogram. Next. So, okay, please note down this, draw the figure. I will give you a question, but you have to do this question in the homework. Okay, we have to start 3D today. So note down this and note down then this question. So this question came in CBSE 2008. Show that the area of a parallelogram, area of a parallelogram having diagonals, 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap is 5 root 3 square units. Okay, this question came in CBSE 2008. So note down this question, note down the answer. Okay, this question you have to do in the homework. Okay, this question is homework. Everyone, please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will do a last topic, area of quadrilateral. Then this chapter is complete. Yes, Abdur, it is the first slide. Uh, and again, the same issue. Abdur, Rahman, Fahd, you both have the same pick. Okay, so it sometimes it is confused. It become confusing for me to find out who have a problem. Is it done, all of you? Please raise your hands. Okay. This question is homework. You have to do this question in the homework. Okay, Aman, good. Fahad, Umair, please confirm. Is it done? Okay, Umair, please complete it. We have to use area of parallelogram. Yes, we have to use the area of parallelogram. Okay, Fahad. Okay, so for area of parallelogram, we have two formulas. When the adjacent sides are given, I have given you the formula last week. When the diagonals will be given, you have to use this formula. Okay. Umair, please confirm me if it is done. Umair, I will give you 1 more minute. Okay, please complete this in 1 minute. Abdur and Rifat, is it done? Shall we start next topic? Abdur and Rifat, please raise your hands. Is it done? Okay, Rifat, good. Abdur, is it done? Abdur, is it done? Shall we start next? Abdur, reply me on the chat box. Oh, okay, great. So I hope everyone has done this. So next topic, next is area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral. When the diagonals are or just area of quad. Suppose we have this quad. Notes who Fud. Fud, you have to check then the recorded lectures. Okay. So suppose we have this quadrilateral. This is A, B, C, and D. Yes, it will take time. Normally, I don't have the notes. Okay. Uh, okay, so this is a quadrilateral. Okay. Suppose this is your vector A and this is your vector B. This is a quadrilateral, diagonals are given. Okay. And so the area of quadrilateral, is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Again, the same formula. If the diagonals are given, you need to find the area of quadrilateral, then use this formula 1 by 2 magnitude of A cross B, the same one which you have checked in the parallelogram. Okay, so please note down this, and then note down this question. This is again a homework. If point A is 0, 1, 1, point B is 2, 3, -2, point C is 22, 19, -5, and point D is 1, -2, 1 are the are the vertices are the vertices of a quadrilateral quadrilateral ABCD. Find its area. Find its area. Okay. So I will write the formula here. Everyone note down this. Raise your hands. 3160 square units. Okay. Please confirm me. Then we will start 3D. Okay, Fad. Very, very good. Okay, Rifat. Good. Abdur, Aman, Omir, please raise your hands. Good, Abdur. Good, Aman. Omir, is it done? Shall we start next? Omir, shall we start next? I'm going to start next, Omir. Okay. If you miss anything, please let me know. Okay, this chapter is completed. Now we will mark the deleted portion. Okay. From this chapter, vectors and 3D deleted portion. So first we will check the vector. Yes, parallelogram and quadrilateral formulas are same. Okay, so in vector at the back of the NCRT, okay, I will give you the page number. Page number is 616. Page 616. Okay, there is a scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. This has been deleted. Okay, so you can find this topic at the back of the NCRT. There's no need to do this one. Scalar triple product. Please note down this. If you have NCRT right now, you can mark in that, but please mark by the pencil. Do not use pen. Okay, or you can note down this as you wish. So in the vector at the back of your NCRT, there's a page 616 that completely has been deleted. Earlier we used to do this topic, but now there's no need to do this one. Okay, so you have to do only the portion which are given at the front. Second, we will start 3D. So three-dimensional geometry. This was a very, very lengthy topic. Three-dimensional geometry. Okay, it take a lot of time. Sometimes it take a month. But and the most difficult topic in this 3D was plane. So what they have done this year, they have deleted the complete plane. Okay, and plane was very, very, very difficult. Yes, it's deleted now. So in three-dimensional geometry, please note down this. This complete topic, plane, this has been deleted. Okay, this is deleted. So you have to leave this exercise 11.3, which was based on this topic. Okay, and if you will see any question where there's a use of plane, leave that question. So exercise 11.3, page number 493. Delete this. Okay, then page 495. Page 495, we have example. Example 27. It is also based on the plane, so delete this. Okay, after this, we have an example 29. Example 29, and it is on page 496. Delete this, it is based on the same topic, plane. Okay, then you have this topic coplanarity of two lines. It is given at coplanarity of two lines. It was given in supplementary part. Delete this. Okay. After this, in miscellaneous page 498, page number 498, question number 7, question 8, question 12, question 13, question 14, question 15, question 16, question 17, question 18, 19, 21, 22, and this 23. So they have deleted this. Okay, now this chapter will become very, very easy because the most difficult part was the plane. Okay, so we can complete this chapter in 4 classes. Okay, if you will do the homework. So your burden has decreased a lot. Please note down this. Next is linear programming and probability. This we will do once we will complete the 3-dimensional geometry. Okay, so please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start the 3D. Uh, for whatever the topics we need to do, for example, in integration, one of the topic was there in the supplementary. Okay, so that I have already teach in the class. Okay, so if you will follow all these things which we have done in the class, then it's fine. Okay, in 3D, you don't need to do anything. Vectors have already deleted. Then there is a topic of this. Leave the supplementary part, okay? Is it done? Yes, 11.3 full deleted. It was the lengthiest topic of 3-dimensional geometry. Okay, it is deleted up there. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start 3D. Oh, okay, Fahad. Okay, Abdur. Aman, Umair, and Rifat, please confirm. Umair. Uh, Abdur, in the last topic, I have given you the formula. Okay, so just find out the diagonal. You have 2 points. Find out the diagonal, then find the area. Yes, in 3D, there are only 2 exercises. Okay, so I'm going to start now 3-dimensional geometry. Next is 3-dimensional geometry. Okay, so last year also you have done some portion of 3D. So I hope you remember those. Please check here. So we have X, Y, and Z axis. Okay. In 3D, we have 3 axes. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Okay. So the first topic is direction cosine. Okay. So the first topic is direction cosine. Now let a line L, let a line passing through the origin. Let a line passing through the origin. Let a line passing through the origin makes angles alpha, comma beta, comma gamma with x, y, and z axis respectively. Okay, and these angles are called direction angle, called direction angle. Okay, cosine cosine of these angles, then cosine of these angles, okay, that is cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction are called direction cosine of the line. Okay, so if there is a line which is making an angle alpha beta gamma, it is passing through the origin and making an angle alpha beta gamma. Suppose you have this line like this. Or okay, this is a line which is making an angle alpha, beta, and gamma. So suppose this is your alpha, this is your beta, and this is your gamma. Okay, this is line L. So if a line is making an angle alpha, beta, gamma, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosine. Okay, and these are denoted by uh, and direction cosine and direction cosines are denoted by cos alpha, sorry, are denoted by L, M, and N. Okay, direction cosine are denoted by L, M, N. So L is what? L is cos alpha, M is cos beta, N is cos gamma. Okay, so this is the definition. Please read this definition. If anyone have a problem, let me know. Otherwise, note down this and raise your hands once it is done. Yes, alpha, beta, gamma are the angles. Which angle? If you have a line which is passing through the origin and this line is making an angle with x-axis, alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis, and gamma with z-axis. Okay, so this cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma, these are called the direction cosine. Okay, and these are denoted by L, M, and N. All of you, please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, Abdur. Okay, Fahad, good. Aman, Umair, Rifat, please confirm if it is done. Okay, Rifat, good. Aman and Umair, is it done? Okay, Aman. Umair, Umair, I hope you have also completed this. So, okay. Umair, please complete this first so that we can start the question. Umair, is it done? Shall we move to next now? Okay. And then I'm erasing this part. Write a note here. If the given line, if the given line in space does not pass through the origin, does not pass through the origin, pass through the origin. Okay, so I have given this definition. If the line is passing through the origin, what happens if the line do not pass through the origin? So if the line does not pass through the origin, then in order to then in order to find its direction, cosines, we draw a line, we draw a line through the origin, we draw a line through the origin, okay, and parallel to the given line, parallel to the given line. Okay. As two lines are parallel, so find the direction cosine of the other line. That will give you the direction cosine of the given line. Okay, just write this point. And now again, raise your hands once it is done. Then I will give you a question. Okay. So basically, what is the direction cosine? You have a line if it is making an angle alpha, beta, gamma with x, y, and z axis. So cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosine. Okay. Okay, Rifat Abdurrahman, good. Fahad and Umair, please confirm. Is it done? Okay, Fahad. Umair, shall we start next? I'm going to start next question. Okay, please write this. If a line, if a line makes, if a line makes angle 90 degree, 60 degree, and 30 degree with the with the with the positive with the positive direction of with the positive direction of x, y, and z axis. Find its find its direction find its direction cosines. Okay, all of you, please share your answer on the chat box. All of you, please note down this question first. Okay, then I need to change this slide. Umair, I will change the slide. Just give me a minute. Um, very good, Abdur. So 0, then 1 by 2, then root 3 by 2. Very, very good. So I'm changing the slide. Umair, note down this, but do it fast, Umair. Okay. Very good, Rifat. That is correct. Good. Umair, is it done? Shall I change the slide now? Very good, Fahad. This is correct. Very good. Umair. Okay. So note down this, Umair. Complete this question and share your answer. Aman, please let me know your answer if it is done. Uh, okay, Abdur, I will. So good. So we will take a 5-minute break. Okay. So, okay. I will start your class after your prayer. Okay. So I'm taking a break of 5 minutes. Okay, so I hope everyone is back now. Let's continue this topic. So all of you have done this question. Let's start with a theorem. Okay. Okay. Umir, is it done? Is it done, Umir? Next, write a note. Write a note. L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. So now all of you, I think you know what is LMN. Okay, these are the direction cosine. So L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. Okay, we will do the proof of this. Proof will not ask in your exam. Okay, so there is no need. Just note down this. Okay. Suppose we have a point P here, and this point P have the coordinate x comma y comma z. Okay. Again, this angle is making an angle alpha, beta, and gamma with x, y, and z axis. This is x, this is y, and this is it. So now from this point, we will draw a perpendicular here. Okay, and this is O. So we will say that this OP, this OP magnitude is R. Okay. Now what we can say R is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay. Now from this point here, we have drawn a perpendicular. Let this be M. So what this will be? This is here find out cos beta. So cos beta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Okay. So OM by OP. Okay. Now here, what is this? This is Y. Okay. This is a Y axis. So this is Y. So cos beta, we can write this as Y by OP. Y by OP. So OP is what? OP is magnitude of R. So you can say what is Y? Y is equal to cos beta magnitude of R. Okay. And what is cos beta? It is N. N magnitude of R. Similarly, X is equal to M magnitude of R and Z is equal to, sorry, this is M, X is equal to L, and this is N magnitude of R. Okay. So, okay, Umir, I have just written this note. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Okay, so I have taken this point as x comma y comma z. Okay, I have joined this origin with this point. Now we have make this vector r. This is a vector r, OP. Okay, so r is xi cap, yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, now the cos beta is what? Cos beta is base by hypotenuse. Base is OM, hypotenuse is OP. So cos beta is y by magnitude of r. What is beta? Beta is m. Okay, so y is m magnitude of r. Similarly, x is equal to L magnitude of R, Z is equal to N magnitude of R. This proof will not come in your exam. Just remember this result. Okay, L square plus M square, N square is equal to 1. Now, what is x square plus y square plus z square? X square plus y square plus z square, it is what? Just put all these values. L square mod of R square plus M square mod of R square plus N square mod of R square. Okay, and from here, if this is R, then what is magnitude of R? This is under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so and from this one, what we can get, if you will do the square of this, you will get x square plus y square plus z square. So that means x square plus y square plus z square is magnitude of r. So you can write here magnitude of r square. Now from this, take out magnitude r square common. So you will get l square plus m square plus n square. Okay, cancel out these two. So you will get l square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the proof. But they will not ask you the proof. You have to use this result. Everyone note down this. I will just give you 3 minutes for this. Okay, please note down this. Then we will start the next topic. I have assumed, okay. So I have assumed this as R. Okay, I have taken this OP as everyone, please raise your hands once it is done. Abdur, L is what? L is cos alpha. What is M? M is cos beta. N is cos gamma. Okay, so if you have this OP, then you also have this L, M, and N. Is it clear, Abdur? Okay, so okay, Fahad, good. All of you, please raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start the next topic. Okay, okay, Abdur. Okay, Aman. Very good. Umair. Okay, Rifat. Very good. Umair, is it done? Shall we start next? Umair, is it done? Umair, I will give you 2 more minutes. Okay, please complete this. Is it done? Shall we start next? Umair, I'm going to start next. Okay. Let me know if you miss anything. Next is direction ratios. direction ratios. Okay, what are direction ratios? Numbers numbers which are proportional to numbers which are proportional to direction cosine. Numbers which are proportional to direction cosines are called direction direction ratios. Okay, numbers which are proportional to direction cosine are called the direction ratios. That follow always this relation: L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C is equal to a constant. So A, B, C are are direction direction ratios. Okay, so the numbers which follow this relation, L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. The numbers which follow this relation are called the direction ratios. Okay. So from this, we will find out a very good formula. So we can say L by A is equal to K. So we can say L is equal to AK. Okay. So similarly, we can say M by B is equal to K. We will get M is equal to BK. N by C is equal to K. We will get N is equal to CK. Okay. So we are getting this relation. N is equal to CK, M is equal to BK, L is equal to AK. Okay. We know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So you can put the value here: AK square plus BK square plus CK square is equal to 1. So from this, you will get, take out K square common. So here you will get A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1. Now you will get here K square is equal to, I don't have the space. Okay, I will write the next slide. So we will get K square is equal to 1 by A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, and we will take the value of K as 1 by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, what is L? L is AK. So what we will get here with this value? So L is equal to A by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, M is what? BK. So here we will get what? M is equal to B by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to CK. So from this we will get N is equal to C by under root A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, so these are the formulas. What you need to remember, no need to learn the complete definition. Okay, remember this part, this formula: L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C is equal to K. Second, remember these formulas. If the direction ratios are given, how can you find the direction cosine? By using these formulas. Okay, so just remember these formulas. Now note down this, raise your hands. Once it is done, then I will give you a question. Umair, let all of you note down this. Okay, I will change the slide then. All of you, please raise your hands. Once this is done, then I will change the slide. Okay, Aman, very good. Abdur, Fahad, Umair, Rifat, please confirm if it is done. Okay, Fahad, very good. Ab okay, Rifat, okay, Abdur. Okay, Umair, I think you have already done. You're asking to change the slide. Okay. Yes, note down this. K is a constant, Abdur. Okay, when you have a value of L and M, for example, L is 1, M is 2. If you will divide this, then this will be the value of K. K is a constant. Okay. All of you, please raise your hands once it is done. But please check it. L, M, and you know. Okay, these are the direction cosine. L, M, and N are the direction cosine. Okay, what are A, B, and C? These are called the direction ratios. What are direction ratios? The number which are proportional to the direction cosine. That means if you have a number which follow this relation, okay, L, for example, L is 1, this is 2, this is suppose 4. Okay, this is 2, this is 4, uh, and this is 8. Then this 2, 4, and 8 are called the direction ratios. The number which are proportional to the direction cosine are called the direction ratios. So these A, B, C are the direction ratios. Why these are direction? Yes, which are getting divided. Okay. So why these are called direction ratios? Because these numbers follow this relation. Okay. So any number which follow this relation, L by A, M by B, N by C, we will say that these are the direction ratios. Okay. So I think all of you have done this formula. Okay. So let me, from this formula, what we can find out? We can find out the direction cosine. Okay. If the direction ratios are given, you need to define the direction cosine. Then you can use this formula. Okay. So let me give you a question. I will give you here only. So try this. If a line has, if a line has, if a line has direction ratios, if a line has direction ratios 2, comma -1, comma -2, determine its direction cosine. Determine its direction cosines. Okay. All of you, please try this question and share your answer. Everyone, please share your answer on the chat box. Okay, so someone has sent the answer. Very good. This answer is correct. Yes, Abdur, it is correct. Very, very good. All of you, please share your answer. Uh, Umair, why alpha? Alpha is an angle. Direction cosine is cos alpha. Okay, Rifat, very good. Your answer is correct. Okay, and it is not correct. Umair, use the formula cos alpha is what? L is equal to cos alpha is equal to a by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. So they have given the direction ratios. Use these in the formula. Good. I'm not sure who has given this answer. Fahad, if it is you, then it's fine. Answer is correct. Okay, Fahad. Okay, who's left? Aman. Aman, will you please share your answer?
Sir, I did.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought that was up there. Okay. Umair, is it done? Please put here. So L is equal to A means 2 by under root of 2 square means 4. 1 is square plus 4. So this will give you 2 by 3. Umair, please share the MNN value. Uh, check here. Umair, if you will divide L by A, so for example, here, what's the value of A we have? A is 2. A is 2. What is L we have? 2 by 3. So divide this L with A. What you will get? L is 2 by 3. A is 2. This will get cancelled out. So 1 by 3. Okay. So L by A is what? L by A is K. Here what we are getting L by A? 1 by 3. So K is 1 by 3. Okay. If you will see here, then we have this relation that L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. What is L, M, and N? It is the direction cosine. What is A, B, and C? This is the direction ratios. When you will get both these, you will divide them, you will get a value of K. Okay, what will happen if you have a direction ratios, you need to find direction cosine, use this formula. L is direction cosine, here you have a direction ratio. Is it clear, Umir? Uh, Umir, you understood this? This formula, L is equal to A by under root of A square, B square, C square. What is L, Umir? Umir, what is L? Leave that. First tell me what is L. L is cos alpha. Good. It is the direction cosine. Okay. And what is A, B, and C? These are the ratios of direction ratios. Okay. Direction ratios. Okay. Now, I told you this one that L by A, if you will find L by A, you will find M by B. If you will find N by C, then this will always give you a constant K. Why it is coming in numerator? Because I have used this relation. L by A is equal to K. So shift this A to here. So L is equal to AK. That's why A is coming in the numerator. From this relation only, we have moved up to here. Okay. As per this derivation, we find out this value of k. So we have put here. That's why we get L is equal to a into 1 by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. So if the direction ratios are given, you need to find direction cosine, use this formula. Okay. And this is also a formula that L by A, M by B, N by C are always a constant. Okay. But from this formula, you can't find the value of L. Okay. So we need to use this formula to find the value of L. Is it clear, Umair, now? Okay. So please apply this formula and share your answer. Okay. That's why I've highlighted here that you need to remember these three formulas here and this one. Yes, this is easy. We will use this concept in some further question. Okay. Umair, please share your answer so that we can start next question. All of you, please try this one. Find the direction cosine of cosines of x, y, and z. X, y, and z axis. Okay. Please find the direction cosine of x, y, and we can complete all the chapters. Who has asked this? So for this 3D, I need 4 to 5 classes. Okay, but the condition is you have to do the homework. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to understand the further topics of 3D. Second, for LPP, I will try to complete in a single class, linear programming. Okay, and if not, then we need maximum 2 classes in LPP. Okay, and probability is lengthy. So we can say 6 classes in probability. So max by 26th of Jan. Sorry. So let me see. Max by yes 28th of Jan we will be able to complete. Okay, that's a maximum. But the condition is please do the homework because you will not be able to understand the further. Okay, find the direction cosine of x, y, and z axis. So first you need to find the direction cosine of x axis. Tell me this answer. First, tell me the direction cosine of x axis. Uh, okay, first of all, who can tell me what is alpha in this case for x axis? What is alpha? Your answer? I do not receive your answer, Umair. Please share it again. Okay, and for this question, what is alpha? Who can tell me what's alpha in this case? No one? We are finding with the x-axis. Okay. We are finding with x-axis. This is x, this is y, this is z. Now, what the angle x-axis will make with the x-axis? What the angle x-axis will make with x-axis? We will say it's a 0. Cos alpha is 2 by, yes, for the previous one, cos alpha is 2 by 3. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so here alpha is equal to 0 degree. Beta is equal to what? What the angle x-axis will make with y? 90 degree. Gamma is 90 degree. Okay. So all of you, please now share your answer. Tell me what the value of L, M, and N you are getting. Very good, Abdur. That's correct. Now, similarly, Abdur, for y-axis, please find it. For y-axis, please find the direction cosine. Okay. So first of all, find alpha, beta, and gamma. Very, very good, Abdur. That's correct. Now find for z-axis. All of you, please share your answer. Very good, Abdur. Z is also correct. Aman, Fahad, Umair, and Rifat, please share your answer. Aman, Fahad, Umair, please let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, okay. Please check here. Aman, is it clear? X-axis make an angle 0 degree with itself. Is it clear, Aman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, similarly, X-axis will make 90-degree angle with the Y-axis. Okay. And X-axis will make 90-degree angle with the Z. All these three axes are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So the question is, you need to find separately direction cosine of X-axis, Y, and Z. So what was alpha, beta, and gamma? Alpha is angle which line make with x-axis. Beta is angle which line make with the y-axis. Gamma is angle which a line make with the z-axis. Now check here. For the x-axis make an angle alpha, make an angle 0 with the x-axis. X-axis make angle 90 degree with the y-axis. X-axis make 90-degree angle with the z-axis. These are clear, Aman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now find L. L is what? Cos alpha. So what is this? Cos 0 degree, which will give you 1. What is M? Cos beta. Cos beta means cos 90, which will give you 0. What is N? Cos gamma. Cos 90, which will give you 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay, very good. Now for this Y and Z axis, all of you, please find the answer and let me know if anyone have a problem here. Oh, yes, Abdur, I already received your answer. Very good. Aman, Fahad, and Umair, please share your answer. Very good, Fahd. It is correct. Find for Z. Aman and Umair, please find for Y and Z. Very good, Fahd. This is correct. Very good, Aman. It is correct. Good. Very good, Aman. It is correct. Good. Umair, is it done? Umair, done this question? Uh, Umair, any problem in this with the x-axis? Any doubt here? Okay. Umair, what is direction cosine? What is L? Or tell me what is alpha, Umair? What is alpha? What is alpha? What is the definition of alpha? What is the definition of this alpha? Which angle? You are directly telling me the answer. Alpha is what? Angle which a line make with the x-axis. Now x-axis make an angle 0 degree with x-axis. Now tell me what the angle x-axis make with y-axis? 90. So that's why beta is 90. So cos beta is 0. What is the angle which a x-axis make with the z-axis? 90. So cos gamma again give you 0. Now for y-axis, tell me what is alpha? For y-axis, what is alpha, Umair? Yes, 90. Okay. What is beta? Very good. What is gamma? Very good, 90. So what you will get here, L is 0, M is 1, N is 0. For z-axis, tell me what is alpha? 90. Good. What is beta? Beta is 90. Z-axis make 90-degree angle with this. Gamma is 0. So what you will get, L is cos 90, M is cos 90. Okay, this is 0. This is 0. N is cos 0. This will give you 1. Okay, so 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Is it clear, Umair, now? Great. Now let's start next topic. Direction ratios. Direction ratios of a line passing through 2 points, passing through 2 points. P point is x1 comma y1 comma y2, sorry, z1, and Q is x2 comma y2 comma z2. Okay, so direction ratio of a line passing through these 2 points. So the formula is, okay, so what will be PQ? PQ will be, these are 2 points. Okay, so you know how to find the distance between PQ. Formula is distance formula. X2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, so there's a distance formula PQ. Now if you need to find direction ratios, so cos alpha will be x2 minus x1 by PQ. Cos beta is equal to y2 minus y1 by PQ. Cos gamma is equal to z2 minus z1 by PQ. Okay, so if 2 points are given and they ask you to find the direction cosine, then please use this formula. x2 minus x1 by complete distance PQ. Similarly, cos beta, similarly cos gamma. Okay, note down this and try this question. Rifat, you were disconnected. You had completed the previous question. Okay, okay. Okay, Fahd, I will explain this to you. First, please try this question. Share your answer, then I will explain. Okay. Well, if you please note down this formula, try this question. Okay. Share your answer. And further, I will explain your query after this. Please share your answer one by one. First share cos alpha, then cos beta, cos gamma. Why you're taking so much of time? Cos alpha is 3 by root 77. Very, very good. Aman, it is correct. Very good. Furth, it is correct. Cos alpha is 3 by under root 77. Very good. Cos beta is, or I can say m, it is equal to minus 2 by root 77. Very good. Very good. And n is equal to 8 by root 77. Very, very good. So Abdur has done this. Aman has completed this. For done. Rifat, what's the answer for this? Okay, Rifat, very good. Umair, are you getting the same answer? Umair, are you also getting the same answer? Okay, I hope everyone has done this. Root 77. Why put in this distance formula? So minus 2, this is 1. Okay. So minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 square, plus 4 minus 2, 2 square, plus minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8 square. Okay. So what you will get? 9 plus 4 plus 64. Okay. So it is 73 and 4, 77 under root 77. Clear? Amir? Okay. So Umair, I hope you're also getting this. Okay. So 1 minus 2 will give you 3 by root 77. Okay. Okay, Fahad. So you were asking how we are getting this. So it is quite typical because you need to try to visualize in 3D. Okay. I will try to explain this to you. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. So these are 2 points, P and Q. This P, this is point Q. Okay. This point P is X1, comma Y1, comma Z1. And this point Q is X2, comma Y2, comma Z2. Okay. But the problem is these points are not in YZ plane. Both the points are in space. Now, if we will draw perpendicular from Q to this XY plane, suppose we are getting here N. Okay. Now, this is a Z axis because I need to show you the angle gamma. I will draw like this. Okay. This is your line PQ. So it is making an angle gamma with the Z axis. I have taken this as Z. Okay. This parallel to Z. So this is gamma. If this is gamma, then this will also be gamma because both these lines are parallel. This is point N. Okay. Now, if here in this triangle PQN, if we will find out cos gamma, that will be equal to base. Base is QN by hypotenuse PQ. Okay. So PQ you already know. How you will find QN? So here you have a gamma. That's why you need to subtract Z2 minus Z. From here, we are getting the formulas. Okay. You will face issue because these points are in space. These are in 3D. Okay, so you need to visualize that if you will draw perpendicular n on xy plane, so this distance qn will be z2 minus z1. Okay, so in 3D, this was our first topic. Okay, there are some more points. Okay, so in 3D, we have a two parts. Okay, first is direction ratio and direction cosine. Second is equation of line. So today we have completed this direction cosine and direction ratios. Please complete the homework. Homework is assignment 1. Okay, it is already there on the group. I will share it again. Complete this assignment 1. From tomorrow, we will start equation of line. Yes, class is over. Okay, because the next part is equation of line. But it is better if you will first complete the direction ratios and the direction cosines. Okay, so complete this homework, complete your vector. Tomorrow we will do the next one, equation of line in space. Okay. Okay, then thank you. We will continue this chapter tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Abdul.
Yes, sir.